Happy Eclipse Day, everybody. So did you go out and buy you a brand new cordless impact wrench? I did too. I bought a Craftsman, but I've looked at several of them and they all seem to be the same. These impact wrenches have, instead of the little ball detent that most ratchets have to hold the socket on, they have a spring-loaded C-clip. Nothing new. Here's my old standby. Same deal. The only difference is when I put a socket on my old standby, easy on, easy off. When I got home and I went to put a socket on my brand new Craftsman, won't go. It's too hard. You have to literally take a hammer and beat it on there. So you use it, do whatever you're going to do, and you got to take the socket off. It's too hard. You have to go the other way and beat it off of there. You said beat it off. So I went to back to the big box store. No help at all. What I did was I marched down to my local Harbor Freight, or you can go to Amazon, they sell them too. One of these guys. All it is a super short extension. So you hammer your super short extension on there. And now it's easy on, easy off. That's all I have to say about that. Oh, thanks for watching and have a safe and happy Eclipse Day.